Hi, this is Bobby McFarland with Video Observation Journal 2 for Education 677. Today I'm going to be talking about my intervention, and how it's going so far. I'll give some specific details about that, the way that I'm implementing it, and also any changes that I've seen as a result. So in my last journal, I did say that I am going to be doing modeling, which has been going well. Some of the things that I'm trying it for with my students are mostly social skills. So things like speaking out in class, and then also responding to other students during class. A lot of times with my students, I'm kind of the only one talking, and I really want it to be a discussion, and students to get that social interaction. So the first thing that I tried, and that I have the most data for, is asking a question of the class. So I like to have the students ask a question, and then I prompt, or I would like the other students to answer. So I start out and I model it for my students. I say, welcome everyone. My question for the day is, what are your plans for the next weekend? Something very simple. And then I have all the students answer. And then when I ask the next student to ask the first student to ask a question of the class, I will model it again with a different question. So I'm giving them two examples of modeling asking a question of the class. I have seen this going well. The way that I kind of track that it is going well and ensuring the fidelity of it is I'm tracking this. I have the students' names down, and I'm tracking how many times that they actually do ask a question of the class and how many times they kind of tell me, no, I'm not comfortable, or I don't want to ask a question, because I will give that to them as an option. A lot of my students do have high anxiety in group situations, so I'm very proud of them if they do choose to speak out in the Zoom room and ask a question. But if they do not want to do that, I don't pressure them to do that. And I have seen good changes. One of my students who really struggles with the anxiety actually did speak out and ask a question of the class. So I was really proud of him for that. And I think it was because I gave him a couple chances to see the way that it would look, unmuting and asking a question. And he was able to do that. So I'm hoping to continue doing that, and also use it for other things as well in the class. It is going well so far.